There is a magic in going places to take photos. It's not just about the destinations, it's about the discoveries along the way. The hidden gems that reveal themselves to those who seek open hearts and curious eyes. Whether it's the bustling city streets, the tranquil embrace of nature, or the candid expressions on the faces of strangers, every place has a story to tell. And as photographers, we have that privilege of being the storytellers. Going places to take photos is not just about freezing time. It's about unlocking emotions, preserving fleeting moments that would otherwise slip away. It's about finding the extraordinary in the ordinary, the beauty in the overlooked, and the poetry in the everyday. Each click is a declaration that you were there, present in that moment, alive and connected to the world around you. It's a celebration of life, of its tapestry, woven with threads of light and shadow, color and contrast. So, whenever you go somewhere, embrace that moment, take it in, and just absorb it to where you are feeling every essence of that place so you can take that perfect photo. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm Kris, and today we're at the San Diego Botanical Garden. We're going to be using the Nikon D700 and the 105 micro lens, and we're going to see what this thing can do for macro photography. I'm going to see if I can get some bugs, some butterflies, maybe some kind of beetles. We'll see what we can find. But any kind of thing that looks really neat in a macro perspective, and just have fun with it, okay? So come along with me today, and we're going to go shoot some photos, okay? Walking through here, I walked into this area where they have this bunya tree, and you cannot walk in this area because of how lethal these seeds are, these fruit that fall from this tree. I don't know exactly what they are, but they are lethal and they have spines. And if you get hit by one of these things, you could be put in the hospital or die. So it was pretty interesting at this botanical garden I was at. I'm not sure if you guys can see this in this video, but where'd they go? Of course they're gone. There were some dragonflies chasing each other at this pond, which is actually pretty good. Oh, there they are. I don't know if you guys can see those. I'm going to try to get a picture of one if I can. That's going to be hard, I think, because they're moving so fast, but if I just stay steady. Boom, there he is. Things in the way here. Raise my ISO a little bit. He'll land again. There's one thing I learned, is that you have to have patience when you're doing photos. Unfortunately, I'm on a time crunch because this place closes at 4 or 5 o'clock, but it's alright. Come on, focus. It's gone. Oh, there we go. Nice, showing off. Come on, man. Okay, hunting. May have gotten him before he flew away. Let's see. I'll show you guys that picture. There he is. Alright, here's the picture. I don't know if you guys can see this thing, but it is a dragonfly. They're actually fighting. It's pretty cool. Let me see if I can show you this little guy on my other camera here. Up. There we go. He's right here. See him? This little guy. Right there. Look how beautiful he is. I'm gonna try to get some more pictures of him. Let's see what we got. Pardon my hard breathing. I'm telling you right now, it's hard to get on your knees and do this, but I wanted the picture and I wanted to make sure I can get what I wanted. So sometimes you just have to get on your knees and get down in the dirt, you know, just to get the photo you want. So don't ever be afraid to do it, even if it hurts a little bit, unfortunately. And here's that photo. All right. Oh. If this video has helped you out and you've learned something, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell for future notifications when more content comes out. I appreciate all of you for being here and being a great part of this community. Now let's continue on to the video. So guys, I just got like the coolest shot that you can probably get. I don't know if it is, but I think it is. It's like this really cool dragonfly picture of, like, I don't know if it's a skeleton or another dragonfly, but they're both attached to a rock. Let me go ahead and show you what this thing is. Here, I'll put it right on the screen right now. This thing is just spectacular. It's something I've never seen before, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. And I got it right here. Check this out. At this pond area. Right here. I got it all from here. It was on this rock right down here, and it just like happened right in my face, and I just happened to be laying down on the rock waiting for something. And honestly, when you're doing this, just hang out for a minute and see what happens when you're in nature, because honestly, you can see some of the most amazing things happen to you.
But wait, there's more. Many more images were taken in this trip, not just of dragonflies, but of many other creatures as well. So many little things, it's amazing. Just wait and see. Keep watching, and you will find out.
then you see a scenery like this, and it just makes you appreciate all the little joys you have in life. Even if this is man-made, it's still amazing and beautiful, and it just takes you to a whole new world. But that's photography. Photography takes you to so many new places you've never been before, and really just challenges you and makes you feel like you are part of everything around you. So as I was standing right here, just observing the scenery and how beautiful everything is, there happened to be a little hummingbird flying around that pink bush. So I pointed my camera, not knowing if I'd get an image or not, because I do have the 105 macro lens on, of course, which I could use for portrait photography. I really wanted to, but I didn't know if I'd get that image. And to be honest, I was so lucky to get this shot. Let me go ahead and show you. So I was walking around and I came upon this really neat bird of paradise foliage, and I thought it was really cool because it isn't a bird of paradise that I've ever seen before. It's quite unique, and so I thought I could grab a little shot of it. So here's the image. Alright, let's see what I can do here. With this, I was just experimenting with the lens and camera combination. I wanted to just get a picture of the water moving very slowly and just kind of make it work to where I'm getting that water soft effect. And there's the picture. As you can see, the Nikon D700 with the 105 micro VR lens definitely is a performer. It's a great combo, and if you guys can get your hands on any of these, it's a definite must. Even if you just use the Nikon 105mm with a crop sensor, you're still gonna get amazing results because this lens is phenomenal. And since it's older, you could probably pick up the older version as well.
Something in the air is changing. Have you seen the sky tonight? There's a small chance we could make it to save our home in the big world. And if you like, we can go tonight.
In conclusion, the Nikon D700 paired with the Nikon 105 micro VR lens is a very powerful combination with excellent image quality, low light performance, and versatility. However, it's essential to consider the autofocus. The speed was a little bit lacking when it was hunting for focus, and it lacked when it was trying to find its focus point. But other than that, the quality, the images that I got out of this combo were so amazing, I couldn't even imagine anything better. You can probably find this combination on the used market, and it'd be a lot cheaper than what it was when it had the original manufacturer price tag. If you guys found this video helpful and you liked a certain part of this video, please don't forget to put that in the comments below. I really appreciate any comments you guys might have. And remember, test and explore. Try to find the right gear that's going to work for you to help you develop and find your unique style. It is so important because that unique style defines who you are in your photography and helps you tell your story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really supports me, and I'm grateful for all of the people that have already subscribed. You guys are awesome and amazing. Thank you for supporting this channel and being a part of this awesome community. Really appreciate that. If you guys learned something, or if you guys like what you see with the images I'm showing on here, just go ahead and comment below in the comments. And I hope you guys are all doing well. Please take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to get notified when new videos get posted. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider checking out some of the other videos on the links at the end of this video.